Welcome to this video. Today's video is going to be a whole tour of the of the model parking lot I have. Let's begin. Starting with agricultural. You can see some agricultural tractors and vehicles here, including trailers here. These Scanias and Volvos you can see in previous videos. We have a Volvo car here, motorbike, a Mercedes, a police car here. We can see ambulances. Here are the construction vehicles. You can see a Jeep here, Audis here, and here are commercial vehicles. Moving on to cars now. There's more cars over here, some vans mixed in. Over here is all the trucks. You can see a Volvo, Scania, MAN, and Mercedes. More cars here. Moving past. More posh cars there. Here is the car washer and the car fuelers. The bridge. Moving on to the bigger cars now. The ambulances. Tractors. Mixed in different vehicles. And under here, the fire services and picket and tow trucks. Thank you for watching this short video on a tour of my little parking lot, model of the parking lot. Hope to see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.